Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook stir-fry bean sprout with soft, chewy fried tofu and pork. If you're not familiar to Cambodian food and want to try our dish, I recommend this stir-fries which has a mild taste and good to serve with rice. So let's get started. First, cut garlic chive into 2 inches or shorter. It tastes halfway between onion and garlic. Slice shiitake mushroom and chop 3 garlic cloves. In Cambodian cuisine, garlic is very important, especially when we make stir-fried, so you should not leave it out. Thinly slice the pork. For this recipe, you can also use other protein that you prefer, like beef, chicken, or even seafood. Cut tofu into bite-size. Do not cut it too small because we're going to fry them, so if they are too small, it will be difficult to flip them around. And as you see, I use kitchen towel to dry the moist from tofu. Otherwise, when they touch hot oils, there will be oil splashing all around our kitchen. Last, we have to make stir-fry sauce. I put 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and half teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of salt to taste, some black peppercorn, and 3 tablespoons of plain water. Mix well until everything is all together. Now let's fry tofu. Put 5 tablespoons of oil into the hot pan and carefully drop in the tofu. It is the firm tofu, so it won't break easily, but we still have to be careful since we work with hot oil. Fry them until golden brown on the both sides. If we fry tofu, so it won't break when we stir fry. Also, it has more flavor and texture. After the tofu is done, put 2 tablespoons of oil in the frying pan and add in the chopped garlic. We don't have to wait until the oil is hot, so the garlic won't burn easily. Fry them until golden brown and fragrant. Add in the pork and stir it thoroughly. The fried garlic will give a smoky taste and flavor to the pork. Stir-fry them until half-cooked and put all shiitake mushroom and fried tofu. Stir the meat for 30 seconds and then pour in all the sauce that we made. Again, stir everything together and let it cook around 1 minute so the meat, tofu and mushroom can absorb all the delicious sauce. Last, put in the bean sprout and garlic chive, but do not stir them immediately. Just cover the lid and cook them for another minute. Covering the lid will steam the bean sprout and this will keep them fresh and crunchy. After 1 minute, remove the lid and stir everything until combined. and you're done. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channels. If you have any question or comment, please let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll see you next time in my next video.